Oh, a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. The medicine go down, medicine go down. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down.
We're just gonna layer it. Okay. And then we add some more honey and we'll save some room for the ginger. And I'll use the cheese grater to grate the ginger and just add it on top. Thank you.